Hey guys, welcome to this newest video. This is a very short and simple video. I'll be straight to the point. Well, I get a lot of comments like why my studio looks so good. Like a lot of people even said that this is a green screen, which it is not, but how to do this? Well, the easiest answer being that choose a color which absorbs more light rather than reflecting it. Well, the logic is simple. If you are choosing something like white or off-white or cream color, it is a lighter color. It is going to reflect a lot of light. However, if you're choosing something like a darker color, such as I have this one's right here or this one's right here, well, these are darker colors which can absorb a lot of light. So as a result, when you're shooting any kind of videos and keeping the light at this angle towards my face, it is projecting towards my face a lot more compared to the background. And as a result of which I am like more lit up, the background is a little bit more on the darker side. However, if you guys want to like brighten up the darker sides a little bit more, you guys can add a little bit more nuggets to it, such as a neon sign light here, this bulb right here, which are like practical lights for a video. So this looks pretty good. And if you guys want to stand out even more, for a darker background, what I did was I used a Quasar Science light, review video up here, right here, somewhere like that. I used a Quasar Science light as a backlight, which can, as a result, help me stand out a lot more. So it's getting this red backlighting effect, which I can change to any color, not just red. It can be blue, it can be yellow, green, etc. So that itself creates a lot more dramatic feel towards your video, and that itself can take your videos from this to this in a short span of a second. So this is a very short video, to the point. I'm sure you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, comment down below, let me know what you guys think of it. I'll be more consistent with making videos now because all the business and stuff are all sorted right now, so I'll be more consistent here. Let me know what you guys think, what kind of videos you guys want to watch. I'm Pixel Sammy. We'll be back with a new video soon. Peace out.